Hey everybody, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be doing a much needed update on mRNA Moderna. If you have not yet done so, jump down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Doing both of those things is going to ensure you do not miss a single update moving forward on Moderna, all your favorite stocks, broad stock market, everything in between. Thank you so much for joining me on this channel. Thank you for subscribing. Let's dive in here to the chart. So guys, as you probably know, if you've been following my channel since its inception, our last Moderna update was here around July 15th. At the time, I pointed out a couple of things. I pointed out that Moderna was one of the most exciting stocks in the stock market as far as I could see, as far as momentum, and as far as longer term outlook moving forward over the next couple months. And I also pointed out that here on the 15th we had broken to the upside of this overhead resistance, this long-term uptrend line. Sometimes these types of moves can be very exciting indeed. And guys, we have just, this thing has been like an absolute rocket ship over the last couple weeks. I just, even to me, kind of what's happened to on Moderna over the past few weeks has just been really exciting and surprising as well. So what are we looking forward to here? I am seeing continued bullishness. You can see the alignment of our dynamic trend line on the 1 hour chart still extremely strong. 20 minute, same thing, just keeps pushing to the upside, pushing to the upside, pushing to the upside. 10 minute, exactly the same thing. All of our three most important time frames are still pushing very strongly to the upside. I'm seeing no end in sight to this bullishness as of now, guys. All I would say, putting my swing trader's hat on, which I oftentimes like to do, right now may not provide the absolute best. Well, obviously, if you are long the stock now and you've been since middle of July or before that, no reason to get out of this stock right now. Absolutely no reason. Just exuding just bullishness top to bottom right now on Moderna. The only thing I would potentially say is waiting for a better swing trade opportunity. I'm going to be watching for this potential, what looks to me setting up the top of this channel here, marking the 2 points here, July 20th. And we wicked off that here also July 26th. So potentially this here at around, where are we headed to here, at around $400. Well, yeah, that's an interesting psychological level too. So I would definitely think that there is a chance that there could be a breakdown / consolidation of Moderna at those levels. And what I'm going to be looking for is 100% clear. I'm going to be looking for to short-term swing trades, potentially exit at a breach of this upward moving diagonal trend line on the 20-minute time frame, something like this, coming up to these levels here, breaking down below this trend line, and possibly getting a retrace back to these levels here around the 355 level over the coming days or weeks. But that's, that's not a guarantee. There's just so much strength in Moderna right now. It could easily just chop to the middle of this zone around 380, just slightly below where we are now, and consolidating there for the next move to the upside, right? So we're going to kind of want to watch this. Swing trade wise, definitely not a trade I'm willing to enter right now, just because there's been such a huge push here over the last couple of days to the upside. But we'll be definitely watching for the top of this channel, some sort of a break to the downside on this 20-minute time frame. I'm going to be closely watching for that. Can Moderna push over and above this channel? Definitely yes. The key thing to me here is not going to be the upper bounds of this channel, but it's going to be the 20-minute trend line. Whether or not that fails at this top of this channel or somehow moves much higher than that, this is going to be the point where I'm looking to exit, and then I'm looking for a reconsolidation somewhere lower for the next move higher in Moderna. So guys, that's basically it. I just wanted to also show this. This is what we were looking here at July 15th. We're on the 3 hour momentum chart. This is the point where we were looking at last time. We were just seeing this nicely upward diagonal trend line that we had set and just continuing levels here. This is what we're looking at. Since exploded to the upside. Again, no real sell signals in place here yet, guys. Let's look at the daily. Just still exploding to the upside. So no real danger signs here for Moderna right now, guys. If you're long, continue to hold. If you're short, best of luck to you. But if you're looking for a swing trade, this may not represent the best opportunity. For me personally, I look for consolidation lower, but overall, macro view, extremely bullish here on Moderna. Every single time frame, still one of the most exciting looking opportunities in the stock market. Although, yeah, definitely not quite as exciting as it was necessarily here on the 15th of July. But who knows? This thing could break out to the upside and even break out of this channel and just start rocketing higher. We're just going to have to watch and see how this thing develops over the next couple weeks. So, guys, if you have not yet done so, make sure you go down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. Doing both of those two things is going to be the only way that you ensure you get every update on Moderna, broad stock market. Really exciting stuff coming over the next couple of weeks, couple of months. Broad markets, Moderna, all that type of stuff. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, guys. I will make sure to update everybody on Moderna again in the next couple of days when we near this channel and see if this trend line breaches to the downside and we can get a better entry consolidation for another swing trade to the upside. Thanks for joining me, guys. I will talk to everybody again soon. Bye for now.